number 3. Contestant number 3, congratulations. To be awarded by Nancy Villanga. Ang kanyang partner, para naman po sa female category ng ating second runner-up is none other than contestant number 10. Contestant number 10. Ma'am, ikaw yun. Nakasamig lang ikaw. Kasap pa siya. Ano ma'am? Yan. Congratulations ma'am. Nakalang. Para naman po sa ating first runner-up sa male category, ang ating first runner-up. Let's give him a round of applause, contestant number 5. Yan. That's si Jackie. Ang kanyang partner, let's give her a big hand. Our first runner-up, contestant number 2.
Congratulations sa ating Mr. and Mrs. Asha. We would like to call our